The future isn't coming, it's already here, and it wears the Mustang badge. This isn't the roar of a V8 echoing through the canyons. This is the surge of instant torque, silence replaced by the hum of precision. The 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E doesn't whisper change, it shouts it. Ford has sharpened the design for 2026. The front fascia feels more muscular, the light signature more aggressive. Sleek lines taper toward a coupe-like roofline, with bold rear haunches that scream performance, even when standing still. But don't be fooled by the SUV form factor. This is a Mustang through and through, just evolved. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that blends minimalist modernism with driver-cynical intent. The 15.5-inch vertically mounted touchscreen now runs Ford's latest Sync UI, snappier, smarter, and more intuitive than ever. Premium materials are found throughout, with soft-touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting that adjusts with drive mode. There's space too, ample rear legroom and a frunk that adds real-world practicality. But let's talk powertrain, because here, the Mach-E delivers. The GT Performance Edition pumps out 480 horsepower and 634 lv-ft torque. 0 to 60? Just 3.5 seconds. And it doesn't stop at speed. It's how the Mach-E delivers that speed. The all-wheel drive setup offers confident grip, and the low-slung battery keeps it balanced through tight corners. It's not just fast. It's agile, composed, and eager. Players' driving modes shift character in an instant. Whisper mode is serene, unbridled. It transforms the Mach-E into something wild. Adaptive dampers tighten, the throttle sharpens, and synthetic engine noise pumps in for a more visceral edge. The one-pedal driving is refined to near perfection, smooth in the city, responsive on back roads. Range: the extended battery offers up to 320 miles on a single charge. And Ford's improved regenerative system adds real efficiency, especially in urban stop-and-go traffic. Starting at around $45,000, 0 cents, and climbing to the low $60, 0 cents, Ks for the GT Performance. The 2026 Mustang Mach-E balances excitement with sensibility. Key highlights: that blistering acceleration, updated tech interface, and a chassis that dances like a true pony car. This isn't just a Mustang for EV buyers, it's an EV for Mustang lovers. The 2026 Mach-E doesn't ask you to compromise, it dares you to rethink what performance means in an electric age. And trust us, we've just scratched the surface. Something wild is charging your way next. Stay close, you won't want to miss what's coming.